I'm here in Oaxaca, Mexico at Filoto restaurant, and it's a beautiful vegan and vegetarian space that serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And then in addition to the cafe, they've got lots of classes. And I'm gonna speak with Tomas, who's the head chocolatier here. Tomas offers a beautiful class in chocolate making and sort of history and sort of chocolate culture here. And then we're gonna take a look at the cooking kitchen and also the printmaking space. Tomas, mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Nice to meet you. So can you take me inside your space and maybe tell me a little bit about the classes that you offer here and what you do?
Yeah, of course. Well, we have different places in this space. For example, here we have the kitchen. We have a vegan kitchen where we only cook with plants, with seeds, but we try to rescue different recipes for the Hispanic time. The Hispanic time in Mexico, we didn't use any meat, only bugs, and the base was corn, cacao, pumpkin, and chili. So that's what we're trying to do in the kitchen.
Wow. And so can we take a look inside the space? Here, lead me in. And so this is where you teach a chocolate class, is that right?
No, here no.
Or just the kitchen?
We have a kitchen special for the vegetarian cooking class and also for the chocolate class. Here is the kitchen. This is the staff. Hey guys.
Great. And so when you do a chocolate class, what does it involve? What do people learn and what does the experience look like?
Okay. When I make the chocolate class, normally I was explaining a little bit of history, a bit of tradition, and I gave them a little taste of the different cacao beans and chocolate that we make here. And also, this class is to involve all the people in the memories of my grandmother. Because when I was a child, I started to roast cacao with my grandmother. And this class is the way like I keep her memory alive.
Nice. So, here in Oaxaca.
Here in Oaxaca.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
And so when people do the class, they learn about the history and the culture and what else? Is there something hands-on?
Yeah, of course, everything is handmade. We have to roast cacao beans in a traditional comal. We peel it, we ground it, we mix with sugar, and we make little chocolates to take to home.
Beautiful.
Okay.
And so how long does that last, the class?
2 hours maximum.
Nice.
It's really quick.
And this is the kitchen in which the cooking class is?
When we made the chocolate class and also the vegetarian cooking class.
Vegetarian cooking class as well. It's totally under the same umbrella, but a different class, right?
Yeah, in different times.
Nice.
So that's why we have to.
Great.
Okay.
What a beautiful space.
Yeah.
So what do people cook during a cooking class?
The cooking class, it depends. It depends also of the season because we use different fruits to make salads or make maybe fresh drinks. But normally you're gonna find beans, pumpkin, mole of course, spicy sauces, and it depends of the chef that can decide. Maybe the dessert can be little molotes of plantain, and yeah. It depends of the chef, but normally always you're gonna find a mole.
And that class, if I understand correctly, lasts about 3.5 hours. They come in, make a couple of dishes, and then enjoy a meal together?
At the beginning, we start with a little talk in the garden, and after that they go to a local market and find the ingredients, talk with the local people, and after that came back and start to cook with the fresh ingredients.
Beautiful. So this is and then in the back here, just some more space for the class. So this is the cooking kitchen for the classes.
Yeah.
And then in your space is the chocolate kitchen, not for the classes, but for chocolate making. And then, of course, there's the regular restaurant and cafe here.
Yeah.
Great. And where are we in the city? Can you tell me a little bit about this area?
Okay. This area is the neighbor is called La Noria. Actually, it's my neighbor because I live across the street.
Cool.
And it's a place that is part of the center, the historical center of Oaxaca. But it's not really crowded. It's not exploited for other neighborhoods like Jalatlaco that have a lot of people.
So fewer tourists in this area, right?
Yeah, it's really quiet, but it's really beautiful because we have local artists who paint the walls, and we have the street food that is really, really amazing. We have little market close to this place that cook the best memelas that you can taste.
Great. Can you take me, and what's over here on this side?
This side?
Well, you tell me, is there more here?
Yeah, here is only a room that normally is for visitors or tourists who want to stay here someday.
Okay.
And in that corner, we have a gallery.
And what happens in this gallery?
This gallery, we have amazing artists. Hey. Okay, say hey guys. Okay, they are our artists who make all this, what do you say?
Prints.
Prints.
So it's a printmaking workshop and gallery?
Yeah.
Nice. And just like with the cacao and the mezcal and the cooking classes, there are also classes here
Yeah,
for learning how to do printmaking.
exactly.
Cool. Can we check it out?
Yeah.
It's a printing press here. And they've also got art for sale as well. Tomas, so beautiful. I'm so glad to have found Filoteo, ¿verdad?
Filoteo.
And then-
or you can find it like Tio Lapis.
Okay. And ethno food is the umbrella under which all of these various, there's mezcal,
Yeah.
tasting and sort of learning about mezcal. There's chocolate.
Chocolate.
There's making and learning about chocolate. There's the vegetarian food. And then there's the cafe, breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Yeah. And
Great.
also we have a market tour that you can know the second biggest market in all America.
Wow. Great. Thank you so much, Tomas.
Thanks to you.
So again, I'm here at Filoteo in the, I think it's called Bario Noria neighborhood. And just a beautiful cafe, all vegan and vegetarian, great food, and awesome classes.